Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your gadgets as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a super common issue with Amazon Echo devices: that pesky blinking green light. If your Echo is flashing green and it's not for an incoming call, it could be signaling a connectivity glitch or a setup problem. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through straightforward steps to get it sorted out, tailored for 2025 models. Let's jump right in. First off, why is your Echo blinking green? Normally, this light means there's an incoming call or notification on your Alexa app. But if it's blinking non-stop, it might indicate a Wi-Fi issue, outdated software, or even a minor hardware glitch. The good news is, most of these can be fixed at home without any fancy tools. Step 1. Start with the basics. Restart your Echo. Unplug the device from the power source, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a minute to boot up and see if the blinking stops. This simple reset often clears temporary bugs. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Echo is connected to a strong, stable network. Open the Alexa app on your phone, go to Devices, select your Echo, and look for any connection errors. If needed, reconnect to your Wi-Fi by saying, "Alexa, reconnect," or doing it manually through the app. Step 3. Update everything. Head to the Alexa app and check for software updates for your Echo. Also, ensure the app itself is up to date on your device. Outdated software is a common culprit for these light issues in 2025's smart home tech. Step 4. If the problem persists, try a factory reset. Press and hold the action button on top of your Echo for about 5 seconds until the light ring turns orange. Follow the voice prompts to reset. It'll erase any custom settings, so back up first if you can. And there you have it. With these steps, your Echo should be back to normal, responding to your commands without that annoying blink. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Amazon support. They're great at handling these things. Remember, keeping your devices updated is key to a smooth smart home experience. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fix videos. See you next time.